A proud family business. In 1960, Belakos started as a family business with the production of carpet and grew into a wholesaler for carpet and LVT in the meantime. We are proud of our professional and concerned team. Most of our employees work at Belakos for more than 10 years. In the Netherlands, private customers can find our products with an extensive network of selling points. Furthermore, we are partners for project developers and interior designers on the European market. Floors are available in many types and colours, but which floor is the most suitable? Experienced Belakos employees are constantly looking for the latest colours and designs to achieve the best price-quality objective. Whether you are after an attractive and warm carpet or just maintenance-friendly and luxurious LVT, you can find it at Belakos. We are a reliable partner and always offer suitable solutions for absolute living comfort for all our customers. For many years, Belakos is a well-known trade name, not only in Dutch living rooms, but all over the world. Belakos is a reliable partner with a large selection of floors, unique service and quality. Belakos, your partner in flooring.